Mabuhay! My name is Pia Camille Junior from Hospitality Management. Multicultural diversity, the presence of people from different cultures, gender, age, sexual orientation, and beliefs working collaboratively. It makes diverse viewpoints lead to more unique ideas and solutions, understanding global markets and customs, challenges, difference in language, norms, and communication style can arise. Diverse teams bring wealth, knowledge, and experience from resulting in innovative solutions and broader range of ideas. Examples of multiculturalism in the Philippines include over 180 languages, including major ones like Tagalog, Cebuanos, Ilocano, and indigenous tongues. Also, colonial influence American English language, fast food, and pop culture basketball. These elements combine to make the Philippines a classic example of nation with deep thinking